Russian spacewalk number 37 will be conducted by EV-1 Oleg Kotov and EV-2 Sergei Ryziansky. The spacewalkers will egress the Pirs docking compartment and bring out a high-resolution camera and a foot restraint. Next, the spacewalkers will translate to the Zvezda service module large diameter. Here they will install the foot restraint and the high-resolution camera. Next, the crew will retrieve the ingress aid and the protective lens cover. These items will be brought back to the docking compartment. Next, the crew will retrieve the medium-resolution camera and a crew lock bag from the docking compartment and return to the service module large diameter. Here they will install the medium-resolution camera onto the universal work platform and remove the protective lens cover. Next, the crew will route power and telemetry cables for the medium-resolution camera to the small diameter of the service module. A second cable will be routed by Oleg to the service module aft end. Once Oleg has mated the connector at the SM's aft end, he will jettison the cable reel. The next task for Sergei is to retrieve the split experiment and jettison it. Once back at the docking compartment, the crew will retrieve the third bundle of space hardware, made up of a payload boom and experiment seismoprognose. Here the spacewalkers are installing the seismoprognose onto the handrails on the service module large diameter. The next task is for the crew to remove the impact and seed frame and jettison it. To do so, they have to remove and temp stow two experiments that are attached to the frame. The first one is the SVPI. Here the crew is removing the SVPI and temp stowing it onto the handrails. The second experiment is a TMTC. Here the crew is removing TMTC and temp stowing it onto the handrails. Now the spacewalkers have removed the frame and are jettisoning it. The next task is to install the payload boom and reinstall the two experiments. Here the crew is extending the seismoprognose antenna. The last task for this spacewalk is to retrieve experiment SKK cassette container number 2. Once retrieved, the crew will bring it back inside the docking compartment. This concludes Russian spacewalk number 37.